Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click to manage accounts on this device. Tap to this account and click to remove it, then confirm your action. And in Google account settings we have no any logged in accounts, so let's go back to the application and we can see also in the app that we just successfully logged out from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.